Hi guys, welcome back to another one here. I got my Vise set up. Got it all bolted on now. Got the bolts, got 4 new bolts. I just replaced them with grade 8s. And about 4 rather than just 2. But got it all bolted together and using it, so I figured I'd show you guys quick on how it works. Like I said, it's not perfectly sturdy. So if I put something in there and pull on it or push it the wrong way, it will tip over, but just got to change your leverage. So I'll get you set up here and I'll show you what I mean. Got it on. So I'm cleaning some brass valves here. I got some, came off of an old water radiator for a house heater, like a boiler style. So I put that in the vise. Now if I put this pipe wrench on here, this way, it wants to twist or lift that up, I can put my foot there and my leg on there. But let me make sure it's still on the camera here. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. So now, instead, if I just turn this over this way and put this on there, it changes that leverage. And I can spin that right out. That vise didn't go anywhere. I'll grab another one quick. Same thing. Put that on there this way. And I want to, it'll twist that right around. Flip that workpiece over. Changes that leverage. And they're just pretty tight in there. Like I said, you're pulling that bottom, that whole hub. Grab this off of here. Grabbing that whole hub, and you're grabbing the bottom, you're trying to pull that with you. And then that hub and all that's gonna wanna stay right where it's at. But if you come on the top and wanna pull it, it's gonna give you extra leverage and it will tip over. Like I said, if I grab that, I can lean. I can lean on it and hold myself up. It wants to lift just up just a little bit. But if I plant my foot and pull it, it can tip over. You just got to use the leverage to help hold that down, but do just about anything you want. Some things you can't quite do right. You might have to mount that or somehow hold that down better, but anything I need it for, and probably most of you, more than enough. Like I said, easy to move. It was over there by the wood stove. I wheeled it right out here, just roll it around. Got it out in the middle of work, or out on the floor to work. Clean these brass up. Figure I'd demonstrate it for you, but show you how handy it is. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.